it's winter, man. It's winter. It's cold outside. I don't want to get sick. I don't want to get so cold.
That's not what you do to not get sick.
What should I do?
Not that.
You want to know what to do to not get sick this winter? How to boost your immune system? Great! Watch this video to find out how. Let's go. It's the winter time. And a lot of people gonna get cold. They're gonna get sick. They're gonna get sick in the winter time. Winter's coming, man. Brace yourself. That's what they say on that show for nerds.
Game of Thrones.
Yeah, man. Whatever. I don't watch TV, man. Well, it's not TV. It's HBO. But I don't watch that shit either. All right.
Not a lot about it.
Shut up. I never watched that shit, man. I don't know nothing about the Dragon King Queen who, you know what I'm saying, married the savage dude to become the princess, and then she didn't know she was a dragon queen. Then, oh my god, now she's chasing the dragons, and then they killed. I don't know nothing about that. What I do know about is how not to get sick this winter. Now here's the thing. People erroneously believe that they get sick because of the cold, because of the temperature. My mama used to always say, boy, put you on a winter hat and some gloves and a scarf, boy. You're gonna catch a cold. Fuck around, catch a cold, boy. And I'll be like, all right, I believed it, right? But then I found out temperature does not make you cold. I know that because I actually take ice baths all the time. I do cryotherapy. I take cold showers twice a day. I would have perpetual illness if that was the case.
It won't give you a cold. It'll probably make you cold, but it won't.
You make you freeze. You were freezing, but it won't make you sick because colds are caused by bacteria and viruses, not by temperature. In fact, cold exposure has been shown to actually boost the immune system. But that's one thing. So why you might be thinking, why do I get sick every winter? Well, there's a few reasons. One is during the winter time, we stay close and we indoors more, and we're spreading the germs. Yeah, we're spreading the germs, and we touching each other. You know what I'm saying?
Here in New York City, when you take the subway, it's gross.
Oh, it's gross. It's the worst. You got a guy exposing himself in the back, and there's a homeless person next to a millionaire Wall Street tycoon. We're all together on these subways, and it's just like an incubator for germs. But that's like that all over because we all stay inside more. We spread the germs. So how do you stop yourself from getting sick? Number one is you want to take vitamin D supplement. Along with spreading the germs when we're indoors, we're not getting as much sunlight. Our bodies make vitamin D from the sun. Exactly. We're not getting that, and we need to supplement that to stay healthy. Studies actually show that taking 2,000 IUs of vitamin D again is as effective as a flu shot for preventing the flu. All you guys should be doing that. I do it year round. Here's the thing. If you're ethnic, do it year round because our skin was made to be outside all day. It blocks a lot of the vitamin D. Bella, she ain't got the problems. What I'm trying to say. That's not a problem she has. All right, she needs something.
Only during the winter time.
Only during the winter time. All right. There's also studies that show that vitamin D can actually increase testosterone production if you're deficient. And in the winter time, you're probably deficient. What vitamin D should you take? Who gives a shit? Just go to the store and buy it. And whichever one's on sale. Second thing you can do is make sure you get enough sleep. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I do not adhere to this, man. I'm rolling the dice. I get about 3 to 4 hours sleep a night. That's not good for anything. It's not good for gains. It's not good for mental sanity. It's not good for... No, I do it for productivity. I get more done, Bella.
I feel if I don't get enough sleep, I hit like a creative wall.
Yeah. I think it's like that for most people, man. But when you a young king, you know what I'm saying, we don't all have that problem. You who are watching this, it's best for you. Don't do as I say, do as I do. No, don't do as I do as I say. Okay, I need to get more sleep.
So how much sleep should they be getting?
All right, well, see, the average person, 7 to 8 hours, and there's a study show that people who sleep 7 hours actually live longer than people on average than people who get 8 hours. Problem with that study is it was like a meta-analysis. It was taking all types of people. If you lift weights or work out on a consistent basis, you're gonna need to sleep more than some asshole just walking around who ain't never been in a gym or who's not like really training. Your body's gonna need more time to recover. So athletes, everything's different for us. We can't have the exact same protocol as a civilian. It's just a regular person who's not out here training hard, pumping iron. Athletes, I recommend 8 to 9 hours. And there's studies that show performance increases when you get 8 to 9 hours or even 10 hours sleep. Roger Federer Roger Federer. And Roger Federer and Serena Williams, LeBron James, and a bunch of other like big time athletes. They all sleep 10 hours a night. There's just tons of studies I don't need to go into them to show that like you will perform better with more sleep.
Yeah.
The reason why is because your body recovers more, and actually sleep does so many things for you biologically. And one is it helps increase your immune system and fights off illness. That's why you get that's why you get tired when you're sleeping, right? Because it's your body's way of making you like fight off this illness. You know what I'm saying? And number 3 is stress, man. Stress.
Stay stress free.
Keep the cortisol low, baby. When you're stressed out, your testosterone levels drop, and the hormone called cortisol actually rises. This hormone will actually lower your immune system, so you'll be more susceptible to infections, bacteria and viruses. It also make you store fat too, so you'll be fat and sick, stressed out. All right, so I want this to be your mantra, man. Keep the cortisol low. I want people to start saying that instead of chill, man. Keep the cortisol low. Just keep the cortisol low, baby. I want rappers to start saying it. So here's some things you can do to relax a little bit when you're stressed. What do you do?
So for me to like deload the daily stress, I really like personally to go to the gym, just put in headphones, like zone out, listen to some music,
You listen to Taylor Swift?
No, or listen to like podcasts or whatever and just like work out.
The Donix podcast with Conor Murphy and Brandon Carter.
I never freeze. I never freeze.
Oh, that's a good one. You guys should listen to that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's basically what I do to like stay stress free. That really helps. Like that 1 hour a day.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. Working out doesn't make me less stressed, man. I don't know if you noticed. I'm in there yelling. I'm having imaginary arguments with myself.
Yeah,
man.
no, that's so
it
accurate.
probably makes me more stressed.
What helps you?
There's 2 things that help me. Meditate twice a day. I meditate. It's really the only thing that keeps me off the wanted list. The only reason I ain't killed none of you fools. I have other videos on meditation. I noticed this sound weird, but I go for walks. Like a walk, especially in our office. We got this big penthouse office here in right next to Central Park, and I walk through Central Park, and I get that nature. I might see a friendly dog. I might see those white babies that have black and Spanish women watching them during the day, and that makes me smile. I just relax, man. I just relax. I get to zone out. No headphones, no music. I just kind of alone with my thoughts for a minute. It's kind of a form of meditation. I get a lot of my best ideas. That's how I came up with an idea for Renum Dogs. Remember Renum Dogs? Who I was gonna start a business, right? I was gonna start a business where I get a bunch of dogs and I rent them to like single guys so they can walk around with the dogs and get girls. You rent them dogs or rent a dog or something, I thought that would be a good business model, man. You can rent a dog for the day and then a cute little dog, like a puppy, but you don't gotta own it. Girls will stop you and be like, oh my God, it's so cute. And next thing you know, you got a girlfriend, baby. You know what I'm saying? I still think that's a good business. Somebody should do that. That wouldn't work. Bella, I've seen you run up on dogs.
Exactly. And I've never seen the owner's face.
But what if he had some game?
Never seen it in my life. All I see is like the dog. But that's just me personally. I mean, that's a good opener for like guys to like maybe say something.
Yeah. The girl says, "Oh my God, he's so cute," and then you'd be like, "Yeah, who else is cute? The dog's owner. What's your name? My name is Clyde. You know what I'm saying? What's good, baby? This is a good idea. It's a good idea." Rent them dogs. What the fuck is this video about? Okay, keep your immune system on point to not get sick this winter. What you want to do is recap 2,000 IUs of vitamin D every day. Get 8 to 9 hours sleep if you're training. If you're not working out, how'd you even get here, right? But 7 is good for you. Stop watching my videos. And keep the cortisol low, baby. Keep this cortisol. If working out does it for you, do that. You can try meditation. I have some other videos about that somewhere on the channel. And go listen, try it, man. Go for a walk. I'm telling you, without your headphones on, put your phone on airplane mode, just walk by yourself. I'm telling you, you'll get a lot of your best ideas. It'll clear your head. It just feels good. Burn some extra calories. It's dope. If you like this video,
give it a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Hit subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this.
If you're watching this on Facebook, then do whatever Facebook does, like the page or whatever.
Share.
I don't know what happens over there. Yeah, share it.
Share both of them.
Man, just share the love, man. You don't want to be, because you don't want to be around those sick people, man. It's selfish. Go ahead and share, man, for your own good. All right. I'll let y'all. Follow me on Instagram, King Keto, KINGKETO.
Bye.
Bye.